Hello all. Now in this video we will show this tweet ideas content into this space which is blank as of now. So as you can see in the original design we have divided the screen into two parts. The one part is 25% which is showing the list of categories, and the remaining 75% is showing the uh, tweet ideas along with these buttons and this user avatar along with this user keyword and at the rate user handle. So first of all, let's divide it. So in order to do that, we will use the SLDS classes. So what is SLDS? It is a lightning design system provided by Salesforce to do the styling by using the classes defined by Salesforce. So you can search about it in Google. Like just type SLDS on the Google and click on this first link and you will be on the lightning design system page. So we will use the concept of grids to divide the screen into two parts. So if I go scroll down, so you can see we can divide this grid into 12 parts, and on the basis of the number we use, the screens will be divided. So let's do it. So I will go to my Visual Studio Code. First of all, I will write a div tag and will give the class SLDS P around medium. So this class will give a padding around this everything. Whatever the content is inside it, it will give the padding. Now let's use the SLDS grid class. So again I will write div and then I will give class equals to SLDS grid and then SLDS cutters. Inside it I will create two columns, so one div, and after that I will create one more column. So the first column will be for the categories and the second column will show uh, the cards of tweets. So here the class will be SLDS call, and then we will divide the columns according to our requirement. So SLDS size 3 of 12, and the remaining 9 will be used by the second part. So I will copy this and paste it here and save it and replace this 3 with 9. So the first part is 25% and the remaining 75% is the second part. Now what we will do is we will copy this lightning vertical navigation and paste it into the 25% part and save it, and the remaining we will paste later, but as of now I will write tweet cards will go here. Let's save it and deploy this to our org. Once it is deployed, let's verify the changes. So I will just refresh this page, and as you can see we have divided into two parts, 25 and 75%. The 25% is showing the categories and the remaining 75% is showing these tweet cards will go here. What we will do is we will move these tweets from the below to this area. So let me go to the VS Code and just remove this and copy this template tag which is fetching the tweets and paste it here and deploy this source to org. Once it is deployed, we will refresh the page and see the changes. So let me go to the org and do the hard refresh. As you can see on the screen, we are getting all the four tweet ideas. So, and now if I click on any of this, we are getting the information according to the category provided, as you can see on screen. So this is working fine. Now what we will we'll do in the next video is we will start designing this like the screen. So first of all, like we will learn about the concept of lightning layout, which will make our this UI responsive. So let's learn about that in the next video. Thank you very much.